Unlike conventional architecture, which is based on the form, function, and subjective aesthetic expression of the architect, Vastu architecture relies much more on specific principles of proportions, harmony, and achieving a balance between interior space with cosmic influences and forces of nature. The functionality in Vastu architecture is achieved in particular way. Room disposition in the house is determined based on dominant qualities of unique space and orientation. Vastu observes the world through 5 elements: earth, water, fire, air, and space. Each of the elements has the unique qualities and is connected with specific direction in space. For example, the ideal position for the kitchen, in which fire element dominates, is in the southeast part of the house. Aesthetic in Vastu design is accomplished respecting the principles of sacred geometry, proportions, and harmonious relationship between the structural elements of the building. Vastu uses a modular design system, 9 by 9 or exceptionally 27 by 27 network system, as a diagram for the position of building elements, both in horizontal and vertical projection. In practical terms, this means that interior walls can be placed only on the modular network, not on its diagonals, or shifted from the diagram. In the same way how acupuncture and marma therapy respect certain places in the body through which vital energy flows, a Vastu modular system protects energetic points within the space, preventing the placement of walls and other building elements. The spiritual aspect of Vastu architecture is what transforms the building into a home, enhancing the health, prosperity, and well-being of its users. This is achieved through a design that follows the laws of forces of nature. The rays of rising sun have beneficial effect on the cellular structure of the human body. Therefore, most of the windows are always placed in the east to introduce healing and evolutionary solar energy into the residential or business space. Another major impact is the Earth's electromagnetic field. For that reason, it is vitally important to place the object parallel to geographic network of meridians and parallels. The Earth's positive magnetic charge comes from the north and brings along energy of prosperity. So Vastu architect must install doors or windows on the north wall. These are 2 universal rules that apply to all people and houses on the northern hemisphere of the planet. However, Vastu as a holistic architectural science respects individual differences. That's why Vastu architect uses astrological data of future tenants and their inclinations while creating a building. Besides the impact of our immediate environment, there are cosmic influences that affect things like ocean tides and season change, as well as our thoughts, emotions, desires, and actions. Vastu architect very precisely determines the dimensions of the building and all its parts through mathematical calculations and ayadi formulas, which are taking into account the astrological constellation of the moon at the time of one's birth, which is called the moon nakshatra. In this way, every part of the space of the Vastu design house is in tune with its users and provides energy support to tenants in achieving personal goal and general well-being. If you are thinking of building a house or office building for yourself, do not miss the opportunity to make it a Vastu building. you will gain so much out of it.